Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2020 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro. This casting is by Matchbox, part of their moving parts line, and is new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro out of its box. First thing first, the orange paint looks really good. So I don't know if you have noticed, Toyota does a paint for their TRDs every year. It's a different paint. I remember green, a blue, desert kind of paint for one, and this, I think this year it was orange. It does look good here. And these wheels, you have seen so many different Matchbox SUVs. They do look good here. You also, you can see it has got those wheel arches. I don't think it's called wheel arches. It's called something else. I can't remember the name. Flares. So wheel flares. It's got wheel flares. Plastic one. That's TRD Pro. If you don't know, Sequoia is a full-size SUV from Toyota. It's a 7-seater SUV, like a bigger one, and it is actually a huge SUV. Let's go to the driver's side. Sorry, the front first. So up front, you've got some nice details. You've got the classic Toyota logo or Toyota written. Toyota, I think it's called Classic Toyota Grill maybe. So it doesn't have the Toyota badge, instead has the Toyota written there. You got the details on the grill. You got detailed headlamps. Those are the LED headlamps. The door bumper is also nicely detailed, and you also got the stop lamps, I guess. Sorry, spot or maybe fog lamps, LED fog lamps. They did look good here. You got both the windshield wipers, both the mirrors, but it's completely black, so you can't really see inside. Now, coming to the driver's side, you've got this nice body line going front and the back. You also got the fuel filler. You also got a step here. You can see step down there. You can see the BC pillars are done in like the same plastic in the black one. So if you look closely, you can see the roof rail here on the top and the spoiler. Now let's move to the back. Again, good details in the back. You've got detailed tail lamp. You've got the Toyota badge. You've got this black trim. You have the number plate. Sequoia written in the bottom. You can also see the brake lamps down there and a twin exhaust. So the windshield wiper is there, and you got a spoiler. So good details in the back. The number plate says off-road. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Just the only difference being the fuel filler. There's also good detail on the top. You can see there's a roof rack on the top. You've also got a big sunroof here and a shark fin antenna. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, it looks really nice casting, but since it's a part of a moving parts, it has an opening hood. So let me open that up and show you what's inside. So this is how under hood of this casting looks, and I'm glad they had opening hood, because if you look inside, it's so nicely detailed. It looks like you're seeing a engine from a bigger casting. So it's just a tiny one. This is a 64 one, and everything is painted. You all can see the engine cover. You can see the fuse box. You can see the battery, and even the, I don't know what it's called, but the panel in the front, the plastic one, that's also detailed. I think it's a really nicely done under hood for a Matchbox casting, and I think that puts it apart from other ones. Also, the hood opens completely rather than opening a little bit, so it does look good. If you find one, you should get one just for the under hood details. I'm just joking. For everything else too, it looks really nice. So yeah, it's a nice looking casting. Okay, if you can find one, you should get one. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.